Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Sally Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about amusement part. We're going to learn new characters and new words related to it. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestion about our course, just comment below. So let's start our course today. So first of all, we should looking at these three new characters. Amusement park, 游乐场。游乐场，游 and 乐 both have a meaning of play and amusement. 游乐场 场 means ground. 游乐场 so it literally means playground. 游乐场，游乐场，游乐场。And then we have first shooting range. 打靶场，打靶场。So again, we have two third tone. So you should pronounce the first one to second tone. 打 and here two third tone again. 打靶场 but not 打靶场. So remember the rules. If there's two third tone together, you should pronounce the first one.This one is the first one, and in this two characters, this one is the first one. So 打靶 both in second tone. 打靶场，打靶场。Read after me. 打靶场。And third one, mini train. 小火车. And again, two third tone. You should pronounce the first one 小 into second tone. 小火车，小火车，小火车。And the merry-go-around, 旋转木马，旋转木马，旋转，旋转，旋转。旋转 means go around. 木 means wooden. 马 means horse, so the wooden horse go around as merry-go-round, 旋转木马. And then we have bumper car, 碰碰车，碰碰车，碰佛山，碰碰车. This is very popular in China and Japan, I think. 碰碰车，碰碰车。And then rentals, 套圈，套圈. I don't know if this is popular in Western country, and I think this is very popular. This one is very popular in some park in China. I'm not sure if it's popular in other country. It's just use a ring to toss some things, like it's kind of far from you.This one is kind of popular in China, but I'm not sure if it's popular or if it exists in some other country. And for this, you just have a ring, like it can be this small or this big. It depends on what kind of thing you're going to toss. Then ring toss, 套圈。套 first, which means cover or put something into something. And 圈 means ring. So here, 套圈 means you should use a ring to cover something. But it's not, you just put it into it. The targets you got, those gifts, is kind of far away from you and you should toss them. And if it's covered the gift, you can get it. It's kind of popular in China, and I think it's popular in Japan too, because I've seen it in anime. Anyway, if you haven't seen it, the most important part is this two new character, okay? 套 which means cover. Flatten, 套 and 圈 flatten. 圈 套圈 and then haunted house, 鬼屋鬼屋 means ghost. 鬼屋 means house. We have learned before. 鬼屋. So haunted house in English is ghost house or a monster house in Chinese. And then we have first wheel, 摩天轮摩天轮摩 second tone 天 flat tone 轮 second tone 摩天轮摩天轮 corsair 海盗船海盗船海盗船海盗船海盗海 third tone which means ocean. Very important character you can see here, 3 drops, which indicates it's related to water. So this character means ocean, 海, and 盗 which means robbery. So robbery on the ocean, which means pirates. So corsair in Chinese we use pirate, boat. We have learned boat before. 海盗船海盗船海盗船 and then roller coaster 过山车过山车 Rest me 过 first tone 过山车过山车 and then circus 马戏团马戏团马 third tone 戏 first tone 团 second tone 马戏团 and then unicycle 独轮车独 means single 独轮 means wheel 轮车 means car or bicycle 独轮车独轮车独轮车 Animal show, which is kind of cruel. 驯兽驯兽驯兽 both first tone 驯兽 and then clone 小丑小丑小 which means small or little and 丑 which means ugly. So clone a little bit ugly. 小丑小丑 and again 2 third tone. You should pronounce this one in 2 second tone. 小丑小丑 and then we have to perform magic. 变魔术变 which means change. 魔术 magic show. 变魔术变魔术 So the 变 here, although it literally means change, but it has the meaning of perform only when you're saying perform magic. 变魔术变魔术 and magician 魔术师魔术师魔术师魔术师师 here have a meaning of master. 魔术师 is like magic master. 魔术师 and then water park 水上乐园水 means water 上 means below, so the park is below water. 水上乐园乐 happy 园 park happy park. So people use 乐园 to mean park because most of the park is used to make people happy, right? 水上乐园 and kayak 划艇划 second tone 划艇 third tone 划艇划艇 and then rafting 漂流漂 flat tone 流 second tone 漂流漂流漂流 and then the last one souvenir shop 纪念品商店纪念 which means remember. So 品 we have learned which means product. So the products that used to remember it. 纪念品 and 商店 we have learned it in the course of shop. 纪念品商店纪念品纪 fourth tone 念 fourth tone 纪念品 third tone 品商 flat tone 商店 fourth tone read out for me. 纪念品商店纪念品商店纪念品商店 So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words today. Hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe below. And click the little bear icon so you can get notification for the next video we post. And if you have any suggestion, please comment below. I really want to hear from you. So, goodbye. See you in the next video.